Hi students, this is Mahima Gupta and today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 6, languages. Okay, we had already completed 5 chapters, so now it's turn for the chapter number 6. So let's move. You can see this is the classes of 4th, general knowledge, chapter number 6, and the title of the chapter is languages. As we know, our India is famous for university and diversity. Okay, there are so many states, okay, in our country, and different languages are spoken in the various regions. So we are going to learn about the various languages that are spoken on the various regions, various states of our country. You can see this is the map of India. Here you can see Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab. This is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and many more. These states, okay, in the eastern part of our country, these states are called as Seven Sisters, except Sikkim, okay. Sikkim is not included in the Seven Sisters. Only these 7 states are called as Seven Sisters. Now we will move with a particular state and we will answer the languages spoken there. So this is the map of Andhra Pradesh. You can see in the figure. This is the map of Andhra Pradesh and the language of this region is Telugu. Okay. I hope you understand. This is the map of Andhra Pradesh and the language of this region is Telugu. Next one is Assam. This is the map of Assam. It is a state from one of the Seven Sisters. Okay, it is one of the Seven Sisters. And the language which is spoken in this area is Assamese. The name of the language and the state is somehow similar, so you can answer easily. The name of the state is Assam and the language is Assamese. Next one is Goa. The old name of Goa is Konkan. Okay, so you can see this is the map of Goa and the name of language which is spoken here is Konkani. The Konkani is derived from the old name of Goa which is Konkan. Okay. Next one is Gujarat. Gujarat is also one of the coastal state. Okay. This is the map of Gujarat. Here you can see Jamnagar and Porbandar. Porbandar, birthplace of Gandhiji. Okay. Okay. The language of this region is Gujarati. Very similar. Okay. So to answer this question, it is very easy for us. Next one is Karnataka. It is one of the southern state of India. And the language which is spoken here is Kannada. Okay, this one. The answer is Kannada. This is the map of Karnataka. You can see in the map, okay, here. This is Karnataka, which is enlarged here. Next one is Kerala. Okay, this is the map of Kerala. It is also a state of southern region situated on the coastal area. Okay, and the language which is spoken here is Malayalam. Okay, Malayalam language is spoken in this area. Next one is Maharashtra. Okay, a film city situated here in this state, Maharashtra, one of the most populated state of India. This is the map of Maharashtra. Here you can see in the map of India, this one. Okay, this red color area, it is called as Maharashtra. And the language of this region is Marathi. Okay, so you can answer it easily. It is very simple. Marathi is spoken in this area. Now next one is Manipur. Manipur is also a seven sister. Okay, here you can see this is Assam. Here Myanmar. It is another country. Okay, Myanmar. This is Mizoram. This is Nagaland. Okay, and here you can see this is Manipur. Okay, and the language of this region is Manipuri. Very easy. Manipur and Manipuri. Okay. Now the next one is Punjab. Okay, Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Okay, this is the map of Punjab. This is Pakistan. It is situated. It is connected. Okay, with Pakistan also here. Okay, this one is Himachal Pradesh. Here Haryana, Rajasthan, and the language of this state is Punjabi. Okay, the name are similar here also, so you can answer the question very smoothly. Next one is Tamil Nadu. Here you can see in the map this black color area. It is Tamil Nadu. It is the southernmost state of our country. Okay. this one. This is the map of Tamil Nadu, and the language of this region is Tamil. This word is also derived from here, okay? Tamil, Tamil. Tamil is spoken in Tamil Nadu. Next one is West Bengal, okay? Here you can see this is West Bengal. It is connected with Bangladesh. Bangladesh is another country, okay? This is the map of West Bengal, okay? And the language of this area is Bengali, okay? Bengali. Many of the Bengali people you can see in Bangladesh also, okay? That's why Bengali is famous in this region also. Next one is Odisha. The previous name of the old name of Odisha is Kaling, okay? And you can see here, this is the map of Odisha, okay? Here this is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh, and this one is West Bengal. The language of Odisha is Odia, here, Odia, okay? Previously, the name of Odisha was written as Orissa. That's why the name is derived like Odia. Okay. So the language of Odisha is Oriya. Okay. Next one is Lakshadweep. It is one of our union territories. Okay. It is one of our union territories. You can see here these are the various islands which come under Lakshadweep. Okay. So these are the various islands which are kept under Lakshadweep. So the language of these islands are Malayalam. Okay, Malayalam prevails in this region also. So this is the answer. The language of Lakshadweep is Malayalam. This is Minikai. This is also similar with these islands. Okay. Next one is Puducherry. It is also a union territory. Okay, Puducherry. But the thing is, Puducherry is divided in various region. You can see here the black dots. These are considered as Pondicherry. The Pondicherry is the previous name. The new name is Puducherry. And the language of this region is Tamil. Okay, just like Tamil Nadu. Tamil is language of Tamil Nadu also and Puducherry also. Okay, so the language spoken in Puducherry is Tamil. Next one is Daman and Diu. Here you can see in the picture this one. Daman and Diu. Daman and Diu is situated near Gujarat. Okay, that's why the language which is spoken in Tamil Nadu, Daman and Diu is also Gujarati, because Gujarati is the language of Gujarat also, na? And Daman and Diu is situated here, okay, near Gujarat. That's why the language of Daman and Diu is Gujarati. Understood? I hope you learn about the various languages in the various regions of our country. So thank you. We will meet for our next class, okay, which is chapter number 7 in our next video. Thank you.